Hi guys, today we are going to be reading a book. As you see by the title up there, we are going to be reading I'm just kidding. We're going to be reading an Elephant and Piggy book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Childhood memory, ChatGPT. It's by Mo Willems. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald, what do you want today? I want a yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What does that say? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Crazy now. Cats make me sneeze too. Oh, no, that says great. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. That's the end of the book. I feel like I skipped a page. No, I didn't. That is the end of Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Okay, thanks for watching and reading with me. Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that follow button. Bye this time.